Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that might make some of you squirm. Leaky gut and your gut microbiome. I know, not exactly the most glamorous subject, but bear with me here because it's actually super interesting and important. Did you know that your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms? That's right. Your gut microbiome is like a bustling metropolis full of little creatures that play a huge role in your overall health and well-being. So, what exactly is leaky gut? Well, it's a condition where the lining of your gut becomes permeable, allowing bacteria and toxins to leak into your bloodstream. Yikes, not good. And what causes leaky gut, you might ask? Well, there are a lot of factors at play, from diet and stress to medication and environmental toxins. But fear not, my friends, because there are natural ways to heal your gut and restore your gut health. First off, let's talk about diet. Eating a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods, especially those that are high in fiber and prebiotics, can help feed the good bacteria in your gut and promote a healthy microbiome. Plus, cutting out inflammatory foods like sugar, gluten, and dairy can also help reduce inflammation in the gut and improve gut health. Another key factor in gut health is stress management. When we are stressed, our body releases cortisol, which can wreak havoc on our gut microbiome and contribute to leaky gut. So, finding ways to manage stress, whether that's through meditation, exercise, or spending time in nature, can be hugely beneficial for your gut health. And finally, don't forget about the power of probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that can provide a whole host of health benefits, including improved digestion and immune function. You can find probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Or you can take a probiotic supplement to ensure you're getting enough of these beneficial bugs. So, there you have it, folks. The lowdown on leaky gut and your gut microbiome. I hope this video has been informative and maybe even a little bit entertaining. And here's a fun fact to leave you with. Did you know that the bacteria in your gut can communicate with your brain through a complex network of neurons? That's right, your gut is like a second brain. So, take care of your gut and it'll take care of you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.